Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be talking about stock screener. All right, a lot of people ask me, how, Robert, how do you find all these different opportunities? It's pretty simple. I utilize finviz.com. It's a stock screener and it's free, nothing better than free. Webull also has a stock screener, but it's not my favorite. But you can use that one or try it and see which one is will be your preference. As always, make sure you guys at the bottom of this video you like it, you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you join the Facebook group, share it, share, so more people can benefit from this. Thank you, everybody. We reached 100 members this week. Thank you so much for the support. If you need to open a new broker account and you decide for Webull, that's my favorite broker, and it doesn't have any fees. Make sure you use my link below so you can get 2 free stocks anywhere from $8 to $1,600. Make sure you use pen and paper as always to make sure you're taking notes and watch the video as many times as you need. And at the end of this video, if you have any question, please let me know. So let's start. So first we're gonna go to Google and we're gonna put finviz. All right, it's gonna be this first one, stocks screener. All right, so we're just gonna go through the basics. Right here to your right, you're gonna see the different sectors. So the technology, communication. As we all know, Thursday and Friday was a big sell-off. So you're gonna see a lot of them are red, a lot of them are green. So that's kind of like the first thing I usually do. I look at which sectors are green and which ones are red. All right, green meaning those sectors are in positive, like they have a positive price range, and then red meaning they going down. Which one I go, it's all gonna depend, because sometimes going for red means you can get a really cheap opportunity to jump in, and sometimes on the green they just started going up, so you can jump in too. As always, I'm cheap. I don't like to buy stock too expensive, so I always try to buy it at the rock bottom. Now, right here they give you like kind of like quick example, their preference on which ones are going down, the top gainers, new highs, overbought stocks, and then depending on which ones are you looking for, that's gonna be how you're gonna go for it. Now, the benefit of doing it in your computer instead of your cell phone will be like, I just go through here and I can see the graph. And I don't need to be clicking on it and wasting time to see how this is going. So based on the graph, I decide if I want to take a look at that or not. All right. Now, some people use these signals. I don't like it too much, but you can read more about it. And these signals are kind of like they showing you, a lot of people have like a graph that say if the graph is forming any of these signals, the stock is gonna go either up or down. It's a pretty cool thing, and they show you right here. You can see the wedge up, the wedge down, triangle ascending right here. And if you're one of those that really like to go through the signals, yeah, you can go ahead and they tell you right here which ones are forming these different type of signals. On this part right here, you see which stocks has major news coming out, or major news came out. So you can go through this table right here. Now, here you have headlines, so kind of like what the stock with the biggest news that are making headlines are going out in any business channels and different stuff like that. All right, so those that do forex and bonds, you can see a little bit here. I don't deal with that. Right here you can see the different Nasdaq, S&P 500. All right, so now the main thing with this is not only this. Let's go to the screener, right? So I usually go to the screener, click screener. Now I always select all. Now, right here, based on your preference, you can look up different opportunities. All right, so you can use opportunity, look for stock in the RSI, um, the average true range, depending. It's all gonna depend. So what do I do? So usually I go with stock. I go with the RSI oversold 40. That's my first thing right here. You see how it popped a bunch of them. Now, not only that, then I'm gonna go right here and the target price. I always like to use the 50% above price. So that means that the company is 50% under what the price is supposed to be, what the experts think that price is supposed to be at. So after I have those two, look at this. We have 110 different opportunities, right? Now, my main thing, I start looking for companies that I know first, right? Because we want to buy companies that you know about the company. You don't want to buy something that you don't know. So for example, right here we can see Car Groups, right? We all know that's an internet car company. You can see they took a big down, right? Let's click on it. Now, whenever I look into a company, usually every single company, and if I don't know about the company, that's the first thing I look. I look for the return on assets, return on equity, and return of investment. I like those numbers to be either black, that means they're being steady, or green. If these numbers are red, I will not touch that stock because that means they've just been losing money. All right. Same thing with here, EPS growth this year, negative, no big deal. But in the last 5 years, it's been going up. All right. So then I look into here and see what the experts has been doing. So last time, on August 7, this stock was downgraded from buy to neutral. Right here you can see that doesn't mean it's not good to buy it, but you have to be careful with this stock. It's going down. Now, right here, sorry about this. Right here at the bottom, you're gonna see all the news about the company. All these different, you can click and it's gonna take you to the website. Now, right here you can see the different graph. If you just want a candle graph, you don't want the advanced, all the signals and everything, you can see it here. We're gonna stay with the daily. That's the only thing. You only can see daily, weekly, or monthly here, or an intraday as well. So what I do, I see it's going down, right? After this, I go to Weevil and I look with all my indicators to find out if it's a good opportunity or not. So it's pretty simple. Let's show you guys another example. One second. Right, so let's see. In the first page, I didn't find anything I like. I go to page 2, and I can also filter this by the cheapest stock to the most expensive by price, stuff like that. Let's see if we find anything in here that we know. There's nothing in here that I like. Okay. All right. Sportsman's Warehouse. We know, everybody know what Sportsman's Warehouse, right? So they took a big dip. So this one is a good opportunity. Why? Because I like when they take a dip down like this big, because every dip like this will have a correction. 99% of the time it will have a correction. Now we go in here, return of equity, we see 44.60% on this company. That's a great return of equity, right? Return of investment and assets is pretty good as well. Now we go right here and the price target increased from 15 to 18. This is probably they did their earnings. Let's see. And usually, I don't know why lately, every single time, yep, right here, the earnings this week. Every single time the companies are having their earnings, it goes down, but then it goes back up. So we see right here, then I will go to my Webull account. I will look the RSI, it's gonna be oversold, so it's gonna be cheap to buy, and I will wait for my SMA line, 9-day blue SMA line, to let me know when I see a positive price range. I will jump in and most likely in couple days this stock can go back either all the way up to 18. That's where it was, or at least to 15, $16. That's good enough to make some profit from this company. And again, Sportsman's, it's a great company. Now when COVID vaccine came, they finally finish it, people will go out more and they're gonna buy more. And guns is something that people love to buy. All right. That's basically it for the stock screener. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. That's basically everything on how to use the stock screener. We went through how to access the website. We went through it's a free stock screener, the basic of the main page, how to look for the different type of opportunities, all the different filters you can use to go more in detail exactly of what are you looking about stock. All right. As always, make sure you like these videos, subscribe, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. We are making sure we take care of everybody. On our next video, we're going to be talking about my third favorite stock indicator is the MACD, MACD. And if you guys have any question, please contact me. Thank you.